Let's take a look at how you can use the 6-way hinges to make quick adjustments to your cabinetry's doors. When making these adjustments, make sure to avoid using a compressed air or battery-operated screwdriver to prevent stripping. The first set of adjustments you can make is a slight adjustment up or down. This adjustment is necessary if the entire door is either lower or higher than the rest of the cabinet doors. To do this, simply loosen the screws attaching the hinge to the frame, and glide the door either up or down depending on the desired alignment. Once complete, tighten the screws to secure the door. The second set of options is a left-right adjustment. This adjustment is necessary if the spacing between two closed cabinet doors differs. In this example, the doors are closer at the top than they are at the bottom. To make this adjustment, locate the screw on the front of each hinge. With a handheld screwdriver, turn the screw right to move the door right, or turn it left to move the door left. The third and final way of adjusting your doors is moving them in or out. This adjustment is used to either draw the door closer to the frame or move it farther away. To do this, locate the screw behind the screw which attaches the hinge to the frame. Using a handheld screwdriver, turn the screw left to create more space between the frame and the door, and turn it right to remove excess space.